Once upon a time, in a bustling city in India, there were two friends, Raj and Priya, who were passionate about starting their own business. Raj was the adventurous type, always eager to sell, while Priya was the creative mind, fascinated by the art of marketing. Lesson 1. Introduction to Sales and Marketing. Raj and Priya decided to explore their interests by selling homemade delicacies at a local fair. Raj took charge of convincing people to try their food, while Priya designed vibrant posters and engaging messages to attract customers. As they worked together, they realized that while Raj was excellent at convincing people to buy, Priya's marketing skills made the food irresistible before anyone even tasted it. "Raj, do you see how our approaches are different yet so crucial?" Priya exclaimed. "Yeah, you make them want it, and I make sure they can't resist buying it." Raj chuckled. Lesson 2. Mindset Mastery in Sales and Marketing. One day, as they faced challenges with competition and reaching their sales goals, doubts began to cloud their minds. "Priya, I don't think we can do this. Maybe people don't like what we're offering." Raj sighed. "No, Raj, we have to believe in what we offer. Let's think like problem solvers," Priya encouraged. They remembered a customer who loved their food but was hesitant to buy because of dietary restrictions. They brainstormed and created a new, tailored recipe just for that customer. To their surprise, not only did the customer buy, but others started asking for the same dish. "Wow, Priya, empathy and problem solving are like secret weapons in our arsenal." Raj grinned. "Absolutely, Raj. Understanding our customers' needs and taking action to solve their problems is what sets us apart." Priya nodded. Through their journey of selling and marketing their delicious food, Raj and Priya learned that while sales and marketing are different, they complement each other like spices in a dish. They realized that having a growth mindset, overcoming self-doubt, and empathizing with their customers were the keys to their success.